How to add custom domain on Payhip. Let's get started. First, log into your domain provider like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Cloudflare and go to the DNS settings or DNS zone. Set the type to CNAME. For name and host, enter your subdomain like learn. For target, type domains.payhip.com. Leave TTL as default or set it to 1 hour. Disable proxy or set it to DNS only if using Cloudflare. Now save the record. Now log into your Payhip dashboard, go to Store, Domains, and click Connect Existing Domain. Enter your full subdomain, for example, learn.yourdomain.com, and click Connect. If set up correctly, you'll see a success message. It might take a few minutes to 24 hours to fully verify, depending on your DNS provider. That's it. Your Payhip store will now work with your custom branded domain. This way you are able to add custom domain on Payhip. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.